Hello and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Geekom A8 Mini PC, a compact powerhouse that promises to deliver top-tier performance in a small form factor. Let's break down everything you need to know about this intriguing device. The Geekom A8 is a mini PC that packs a punch with its impressive hardware specifications. It's powered by an AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS processor, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads, alongside a Radeon 780M GPU. This setup is complemented by a hefty 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a spacious 2TB PCIe Gen 4 M.2 SSD. In terms of design, the A8 sports a compact metal enclosure that exudes a premium feel. It measures just 112.4mm square and 37mm high, making it quite small for the power it packs. The build quality is robust, with a mix of metal and matte plastic finishes. It's designed to sit discreetly on your desk or even be mounted behind a monitor using the VISA plate included in the box. Despite its small size, the A8 manages to offer a good array of ports. You get multiple USB ports including USB 4.0 Type-C and USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A. Dual HDMI outputs, a 3.5mm audio jack, and even an SD card slot. Networking options are solid with 2.5 GB LAN, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring you're well connected for both work and play. Now, let's talk performance. During testing, the Ryzen 9 processor handled multitasking and intensive applications with ease. It's a capable machine for content creation, light gaming, and day-to-day productivity tasks. Benchmarks like Cinebench and PCMark 10 showed strong results, highlighting its processing prowess. One drawback worth mentioning is the cooling system. The A8 tends to get warm under load, which can lead to the fan running audibly, even at idle. This might be a concern if you prefer quieter environments, though mounting it behind a monitor can help mitigate the noise to some extent. In conclusion, the Geekom A8 is undeniably powerful for its size, offering solid performance and a premium build. However, it comes with a few trade-offs such as fan noise and limited upgrade options due to its compact design. If you're in the market for a mini PC that prioritizes performance and don't mind the noise, the A8 could be a good fit. That wraps up our review of the Geekom A8 Mini PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below on what you think about this mini PC. Stay tuned for more tech reviews and critiques here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.